Said is here with another SolidWorks tech tip. Today I want to talk about Cutlist in SolidWorks Weldment. SolidWorks Weldment is a really great tool when we want to make weldment structures in SolidWorks. As you know, when we make a weldment structure in SolidWorks, it generates a list of all the items, all the weldment profiles that we have in that structure for us, which is called Cutlist. And it also groups the identical items under separate folders. And SolidWorks does a really great job in detecting those identical items and grouping them, basically. Now, in some cases, when you have similar items, for example, you have similar weldment profiles, but there is a small difference between some of them. For example, you have a hole on some of those identical profiles. SolidWorks detects them as different items and will group them under separate folders. In cases like this, you may want to rearrange that grouping manually and like regroup them manually. So to show you what I exactly mean, I made this really simple weldment structure. As you can see, we have like only 4 weldment profile here. If you look at the design tree under Cutlist, you can see SolidWorks grouped my weldment profiles under 2 separate folders. I have the 2 profiles on the smaller size, on the shorter side, and I have 2 profiles on the longer side. Now, imagine that I need to have a hole on one of these items. For example, let's add a hole on this face, on this weldment profile that we have here. So I'm going to make it through all hole right there. Perfect. And as soon as I right click on my Cutlist and update it, okay, or create Cutlist automatically, you can see that SolidWorks will add a new folder for me right there at the bottom. Okay, so basically because of that hole, SolidWorks detects these 2 profiles as separate items. While let's say that's not a big deal for me, I want to group them under the same folder. I want to for me that those 2 are similar. So in cases like this, what you can do, you can go ahead and manually rearrange or regroup these the items, the components that you have in your Cutlist. And it's really simple. All you need to do is to drag the body from one Cutlist folder, drag it and drop it on the other folder. Okay, yes, I want to make the changes, and doing so, you can see that SolidWorks will remove that last folder for me, and it will group these 2 items under one single folder.